Once marketed under a single brand, both Dodge and Ram trucks have not been showing convincing market offerings for quite some time now. In 2020, however, the FCA conglomerate manages to shift gears. They have put a claim on the leadership positions in the hot pickup truck segment and solidified the muscle car's domination. The upcoming model here brings us even more surprises from Detroit, which rage with untamed horsepower. Today we'll present to you in details the latest additions to the 2021 lineups by both Dodge and Ram. So subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News not to miss the latest info in the world of cars. Let's start the engines. Ram 1500 TRX. The status quo in the off-road muscle pickup truck segment will never be the same, since Ram has finally delivered on their highly anticipated concept. The all-new 1500 TRX takes advantage of the latest FCA supercharging skills to make 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet. These figures are a courtesy of the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, the world's most powerful engine to be fitted on a mass-production truck. This might is transferred through a CF 8-speed transmission to all four wheels. There is a full-time active transfer case, a Dana 60 solid rear axle, and an active damping suspension system with 2.5-inch Bilstein shocks and 13 inches of wheel travel. The Ram TRX 1500 will initially come out in 702 units Launch Edition. Fully loaded, riding on beadlock wheels, wearing exclusive anvil gray paint, and possessing superior interior amenities like Harman Kardon 19-speaker audio and a panoramic roof. Dodge Challenger SRT Super Stock Package. The new addition to the Challenger range takes the SRT HELLCAT REDEYE wide body as a starting point, but instead comes with a heart from the 2018 SRT Demon. The Super Stock Package gets tuned Bilstein adaptive suspension for better rear traction and a standard limited slip differential with optimized ratio. In addition, it rides on factory-installed 18 by 11-inch wheels wrapped in Netto and 205R drag radials at all four corners. In turn, the stopping power is provided by the lightweight Brembo calipers and 14.2-inch vented rotors. The 6.2-liter Hemi V8 powertrain is recalibrated, so it now nets 807 horses, 10 more than the currently produced Challenger SRT REDEYE. It means that the Super Stock turns a quarter mile in 10.5 seconds and sprints to 60 mph in just 3.25. Dodge Durango SRT HELLCAT. For 2021, the entire Durango lineup arrives with a slightly refreshed exterior styling with new bumpers, 3 grille textures, new LED lighting, and a variety of wheel options. However, the major highlight of the range is the all-new SRT HELLCAT that will be produced only for 1 year. With 710 horsepower output, it snatches the title of the world's most powerful serial production SUV, beating the corporate sibling Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk by 3 ponies. Thanks to its 645 pound-feet of torque and standard all-wheel drive, the new Durango dashes to 60 in 3.5 seconds, has an NHRA-certified quarter-mile time of 11.5, and peaks at 180 miles per hour. Its suspension system was specially tuned and features adaptive dampers. The road grip is ensured by Pirelli Scorpion or P0 tires, wrapped around 20-inch wheels with Brembo brakes. More exciting Dodge and Rams are waiting for you down the list, so smash the like button and stay tuned. Let's keep going. Ram 1500. By multiple expert accounts, the Ram 1500 is considered the best full-size pickup truck of 2020. But since its major competitor Ford F-150 enters a new generation in the upcoming model year, FCA designers could not stand on the sidelines. New for 2021 is the limited Longhorn 10th Anniversary Edition with exclusive badging and interior color. The 1500 range becomes the first FCA vehicle to get an optional full-color head-up display with customizable content areas. A standard reflective mirror could be replaced with a digital rear-view unit. Plus, traveling with a trailer has never been easier, since the available trailer package is bursting with added features. Those include a trailer reverse steering control, wired trailer camera prep kit, 360-degree camera view, trailer light check, and trailer tire pressure monitoring. Finally, standard and advanced safety groups have been expanded as well. Dodge Charger SRT HELLCAT REDEYE. As long as such beasts as Dodge Charger exist, a claim that modern sedans are boring will never be substantiated. Its SRT HELLCAT REDEYE version is arriving as the world's most powerful and fastest production model within the class. The newcomer basically mirrors the technical specifications of the last-year Challenger. So under the hood, one will find a 6.2-liter V8 with a larger 2.7-liter IHI supercharger. The red line was shifted towards 6500 RPM. The boost reaches 14.5 psi, and the resulting output now peaks at 797 HP and 707 pound-feet. This four-door rides on massive 20x11-inch tires covered by wide fenders and requires beefier axles and reinforced driveshaft to handle the newly acquired might. The performance numbers on the Charger REDEYE are quite stunning. It can cover a quarter-mile in 10.6 seconds, reaching the speed of 129 mph, while its maximum velocity is bonkers 203 mph. Dodge Challenger MOPAR Drag Pack. As usual, the 2021 Challenger offers a head-spinning variety of modifications, engines, and packages to choose from. However, this year, those fans whose budget is not restricted by any numbers get access to the exclusive 50-unit version that doubles the pricing of the top SRT HELLCAT REDEYE. Co-developed with MOPAR, the new drag pack gets an NHRA-certified roll cage, a revised suspension setup with specially tuned Bilstein coilover shock absorbers, and a unique MOPAR key member that underpins the front suspension. The 5.8-liter Hemi V8 is boosted using a 3-liter Whipple supercharger, resulting in the 630 horsepower output and a quarter-mile time of 7.5 seconds. Since this Challenger was designed for drag strips, it also packs a race-proof cabin with race-tack composite seats and harnesses, as well as a 3-gauge carbon fiber driver's panel and a 7-inch Holley EFI digital dash. Ram ProMaster. On sale since 2013, the ProMaster van is one of the household names both in the world of commercial transport and in the US camper van industry. The model was last facelifted in 2019, getting a more distinctive front fascia design and a Ram lettered grille. But now, Ram is catching up with the market on the technological front. The 2021 van debuts a standard crosswind assist, a new fully digital rear-view mirror, and a range of safety assists that were previously not available. These include forward collision warning, emergency brake assist, and blind spot monitoring. As before, the ProMaster offers 18 wheelbase and roof combos, all of which come powered by a 3.6-liter V6, a 6-speed automatic, and a class-exclusive front-wheel drive system. Dodge Challenger 50th Anniversary Commemorative Edition. The iconic pony car turned 50 this year, and to mark this event, Dodge unveiled a limited edition package for the Challenger nameplate. The commemorative edition can be ordered on the RT Scat Pack, and RT Scat Pack wide-body trims. The models are available in Dodge's 7 high-impact colors, including the all-new Smoke Show variant. Each car gets a satin black hand-painted hood and has a black wrapped roof and deck lid. There are also exclusive 20-inch gold school wheels, gunmetal Brembo calipers, and the LED illuminated 50 logos in the headlamps. Ram Heavy Duty. Besides offering competitive towing and payload capabilities, where Ram HD trucks truly excel is the segment's most refined interiors and operator comfort features. In 2021, the basic packages for 2500 and 3500 models remain the same. But we're welcoming limited night and black editions, which have impressive blacked-out wheels, grills, and badging that could be combined with a variety of body colors. These hard-working giants still deliver on customers' demands with 3 engine choices: a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 and 2 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesels with standard and high-output variants. Would you agree that both Dodge and Ram are steadily pulling themselves out of the stagnation phase? Which models from the lineup did you like the most? And would we ever see a Hemi V8 Ram ProMaster? Answer these questions in the comment section, like this episode, and subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News to get notified about the latest, most informative car top 10s on YouTube. We'll see you!